give me how to wig. Okay, and this is Keith. He is my assistant for this season. Okay, we're gonna be doing what's this? Oh, maybe we can make this into a hat. Cool, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, so now we're gonna learn how to cook, and I'm gonna give you some recipes. So we are gonna be learning how to make chocolate breadsticks.
Ooh. Ooh.
Okay, so
Woo.
what you need is some milk.
Sounds
Milk
good.
chocolate feastables,
Ooh, yeah, that sounds
Some-
good.
breadsticks,
I like it.
a small pot.
Like about like wait.
No, just a small pot. What's it called again? A hob, and an adult to help you if you need one. Sure.
But here, there's different.
Yes.
Keith, hi Keith.
So we're not gonna actually make it today, but we're gonna just tell you how to make it. So you get your milk chocolate feastables and put them in the pot.
You can have any feastables, by the way.
Yeah, or any chocolate. But definitely use feastables because it tastes really good. It's the best chocolate in the pot.
Yeah.
So what you have to
I
do
agree.
is you go put the feastables, like 6 bars of feastables into the pot. Yes. And then you got to turn the hob on. Yes. Maximum power. Yeah. And then you got to put the stove on. And then hopefully the feastables will turn into a nice gooey mix. Yes.
Yeah.
And then you get the breadsticks. And then you can take it off. And then you get the breadsticks and you can dip them. And then you can eat it. And it tastes so good. Okay.
But I
So-
need one more. So after you've dipped the breadsticks inside, you should put them on a plate or wrap them up on something, and
No,
then
no, no,
put them in the fridge. So then there's hard chocolate, and then you can try it, and it'll be so good.
No, because
You
that's
try.
not how it's meant to work. It's meant to be
Daddy,
dipped. So.
yeah.
Okay, so it's meant to be a dip.
Daddy.
Okay, Daddy, now we're going to learn a new recipe.
Yes.
So you also need feastables, you need strawberry, and you need the hob, an adult, and maybe an adult, and a small pot. So, milk, 6 feastable bars, yes, and then
Or any
you
chocolate.
also need and you also need sprinkles. So you get the strawberries, yes, and you dip it into the melted chocolate and cover it all over, yes, and then you put loads of sprinkles on the floor, and then you put them in the fridge to harden up, and then you cut off the end first, yes, and then you put them in the fridge on a skewer. So there's 6 on a skewer, and then you can eat it, and it tastes so good. I think I never actually tried it. Guys, I think you should go and try out them recipes. There's some more recipes I'm gonna tell you. Okay, let's. I'm not sure. Well, let's make chocolate chip bread. So what you need is chocolate chips and bread. Sure, you get the bread. You stick the chocolate chips in, and then you got chocolate chip bread. Chocolate chip bread. Oh my god, the camera is evil. Stop recording me. You're meant to
I'm
record me.
recording Lenny.
Okay. So, Alright, yep. So, everybody who would like to look at some animals.
Animals.
Animal is shite.
Animals down and animals up.
Okay.
Animals are up.
Okay, that's good hit.
This is a lion.
Lion. Okay.
4.
So,
The
let's look at small and medium. This is a shovel. A Leptaurus serval. Range mainly southern Africa. Healthy size 20 to 40 lb. I think that means pounds. 9.1 to 18.1 kilograms. Diet: rats, mice, shrews, birds, insects, frogs, and lizards. Servals listen for their necks Neil, you know the huge ears. As soon as this long-legged cat picks up the sound of a rodent rustling in the grass, it moves closer. Then it pounces from up to 12 feet, 3.7 meters away. Okay, that's a serval. Okay, guys, that's enough reading about animals. Yeah, you big Papa! Move the hand. Okay, yeah. So. For you, please.
Please like and subscribe to Bouncing Seals. Because Bouncing Seals is really good and it's really
That's not
funny.
even the name of the channel. I have no idea.
Oh, that time it did not work. Whoa!
Giggy.
Woof, 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 woof. Woof.
Okay. Ready for one?
Bam. Ba 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 bam 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 bam
Guys, come over here.
bam.
Giggy.
Today,
Today, Mad Giraffe is going to run into a wall.
Whoa. That was cool.
Mad Giraffe got hit. That was into a West Mad Giraffe for all his bad doings. If you keep up to date with the channel, you'll know that Mad Giraffe strike again. And we also showed off Mad
Sadly,
Giraffe.
we're going to have to end the video now. Bye, guys.
No, it's not the end yet.
Bye, but please like
Okay. No, but I don't want to. Okay, yeah.
Hey,
Have you ended the video? No. Okay, good. Okay. I made it down. Help it! Oh. And the sofa.
Mum, have a little tea. I think